I'm Lena Kay, and welcome to iBG's Ask Me Anything. Thank you so much for being here with us today. Now, over the past few weeks since iBG was launched, we have received a lot of inquiries from the iBG community on Telegram and Facebook. That's why we're here tonight with Dr. Menon and Aneesha Reihana to help you answer all the questions. So guys, please help me welcome Dr. Menon. Hi, Dr. Vin.
Hey, hi.
Hi, Aneesha.
Hi.
How are you both?
We are doing great. Thank you.
Thank you. All good here. How about you?
Good, thank you. Glad you're doing both really well. So I know everybody's really eager to start with the AMA, so let's jump right into it. Now we have prepared the questions for you so that everybody can see as well. So let's get right into it. So can you please introduce yourself and your background, and also introduce the team working on iBG Finance? Dr. Vin, let's start with you, and then we can move over to Aneesha.
Thank you, Lena. Thank you for inviting me here. My name is Vin. I've been into technologies, entrepreneurship for the last 15 years. So in and out of technology business, entered and exited in multiple ventures. And a little bit background about me. I'm a technologist, started business from a technology point of view, then moved into finance, then moved into fintech. So we have been working in the fintech space for the last 5 years extensively, especially in the blockchain space. So we created an ecosystem which started from crypto exchanges, and we were the world's first fully insured crypto exchange. And from there, we moved into a regulated fund, primarily focusing into Bitcoin. Then we are deploying more and more applications on blockchain, including decentralized finance applications like iBG. And I'm supported by, currently I'm supported by our core team members, starting with our IT and R&D head, Mr. Don, and our marketing head, Ms. Kate. She's also in the call, and James, who is heading our operations, and Dr. Shailesh, who is taking care of our AI and analytics. Then sales is headed by our dearest Branchly, and also the investor relations are taken care by Mr. Prakash. So this is our core team. Apart from that, then we have our networking and the marketing team available. So this is about me, my background, and our team.
Great, thank you, Dr. Vin. And Aneesha, can you please introduce yourself and your background, and also introduce the team working on iBG?
Hi, my name is Aneesha. I'm also part of the team, but Dr. Vin, were you waiting for me to introduce myself? Or you?
Yes, I leave the opportunity to you. Maybe that is missed from my script as well.
Yeah, I'm the lead product strategist of iBG. I am an accountant and technologist who embrace technology, leveraging on technology to bring finance and traditional finance bridge over and embrace technology. So in my journey in the past 15 years of my work experience in business strategy, compliance, accounting, finance, I've learned a lot. And today and this is a summation of the team's experience leveraging on technology and creating the possibility and accessibility of DeFi to everyone. So we all create and think and grow our work culture based on Dr. Vin's philosophy that we all embrace, make money, do good. So we want to spread the love, and DeFi is a beautiful space. So we just want to make it easier by giving an interface to users to talk to them and walk them through DeFi investing. Instead of getting them to be a techie, you don't have to be a techie to understand this space. So that's what the product is about, and that's what we strive towards. And every day we just gather the feedback from the community and try to be better each day. Yeah, that's us.
Brilliant, thank you. And can you briefly describe iBG's strategic partnership?
Yeah, so maybe I'll take this question. So iBG is actually a sort of backed with one of the Southeast Asia's first Bitcoin or regulated Bitcoin denominated fund, which is also considered the first fully insured Bitcoin denominated fund. So what it means is 65% of the Bitcoin fund profit is actually going to the market to buy back iBG tokens at the current market price. And this happens on a monthly basis once the Bitcoin deployment starts. So we are expecting the kind of liquidity coming into iBG, apart from the demand which is created from the leaders, the network, the investors. There is actually a constant recurring demand or the sustainability or the support for iBG token value as well. So this is number one. Number two, we have been in partnership with one of the leading insurance provider based out of Labuan, who is actually insuring iBG tokens. So iBG tokens are the first insured DeFi coins, which is actually providing a guarantee to the or the coverage to the investors, making sure that what we have promised in the white paper or in the commitments are being fully insured by a, a prominent insurance and reinsured by Lloyd's of London syndicates, at least A minus rated ones. So that's a kind of guarantee or the partnership which we are bringing in as well.
Great. And what's in store for us in iBG?
Maybe I'll answer that. So as
Sure.
mentioned earlier, iBG is a robo advisor. So we have created this platform where the robot does the thinking for you. As you know, the DeFi investing space uh, is is huge, and you've got a variety of choices, and you can get choice paralysis. Apart from that, it's quite technical and quite cumbersome to go through each protocols and invest into it. That's apart from the varied risk level. So iBG is a smart engine, AI-driven smart engine, where it is coupled with a very unique strategy of understanding the user by curating the user's investment profile, understanding your risk appetite, understanding your comfort level, and what you want to do with your crypto assets, and where would you like it to go potentially. So basically, you answer a series of questions, and the engine calculates in the back end what is the best option for you on the DeFi space. So it's basically like a matchmaking, and the robot gives you a recommendation of what's the best suited for you, whether it's a high risk, low risk, or medium risk. So then you get so basically you get it served on a platter for you and in a very simplified manner. So that's the robo advisor element of iBG, and I'm trying to accomplish our mission of making DeFi accessible to everyone.
Amazing. And does iBG provide staking?
Yes. Okay, let me take this question. Yes, iBG is actually activated currently with the basic staking of iBG, which is a short-term staking. But within the period of this short term, we'll be rolling out our first version of the Robo Advisory, which will help users to stake based on the risk profile and multiple standard evaluated protocols. What does that mean to the users? Basically, they are just making sure that they are investing into the right product, and the product has been already due diligence done by iBG team, and technically making it viable for the users through Robo Advisory platform. And the third version of the iBG will provide advanced level of staking using artificial intelligence and machine learning.
Great. So what is the best way to maximize staking with the iBG tokens?
Aneesha, you want to take this question?
Yes, so best way of maximizing iBG token staking. So there are varied strategies. Right now, we have rolled out iBG Welcome Wallet, which is the release one, where we focus in curating the community and giving them exclusive lot staking benefits. So when you come in to buy the tokens at this level, you get crypto compounding crypto. So when you buy iBG tokens, when you stake, and you yield in equivalent of iBG tokens. So that itself, it's a great benefit of iBG's early backers. So that's just the starting. And when we move on and we roll out version 2, which is the Robo Advisor, there will be more options where we have based once again on your risk profile. And once version 3 comes out, where we understand you with your machine learning and understand the user much better, the Robo Advisor will basically give you more options to maximize your staking. Yeah.
So are there any risks when joining iBG?
So, okay, so there are a couple of risks typically when we talk about DeFi projects, right? So if you look at the current market condition, we are talking about roughly more than 50% of the DeFi projects are either falls under the category of scam or falls under the category of people are not creating a trustworthy platform. In our case, what we are trying to do is we are trying to bring in as much as value to the investors by providing, number one, a technology platform which is foolproof, security audit, legally cleared, as well as insurance covered. So pretty much all the risk associated with any kind of alternative investment is been covered by iBG offering. But at the same time, of course, the business risk is what which is available, which pretty much a continuous growth in the community as well as continuous applications of Robo Advisory, which will be definitely adding into that and making sure that it is completely a risk-free instrument.
Great, thank you. And will I get any rewards for signing people up through iBG using the referral code?
Yes, of course. There is 9 different ways of earning from the Welcome Wallets network program. So Lena, yourself and Haley, you conduct daily leadership calls where you explain the 9 different ways. So I will not steal your thunder, but just give a teaser that there's many ways. The most exciting one is when you directly refer, you get direct referrals, which are very attractive. And the objective of this is to grow with the community. DeFi projects are about community growth, people growing with people. So that's what we want to incentivize from the beginning. Not only do we incentivize when you refer, but we want to incentivize to grow together, make money together as well. That's when you earn yield and your network earns yield, you earn from each other as well. So you have this support system to motivate each other to continuously engage in the platform as well.
Great, yeah, definitely. And which package has been the crowd favorite, and why do you think that is?
Aneesha?
Numbers is your favorite number, but let me answer.
All right. That. Okay. Yeah. So just to give you a background, right? So we have been seeing that a lot of traction towards 10,000 packages and 100,000 package. So there's 2 different extremes of the spectrum.
Okay. And why isn't the app available in Apple Store and Play Store?
So actually the app is already available up in the Play Store. So, and Apple Store, you can get the app via test flight. The iOS is pending approval. So because of the various processes it would, we have already, prior we were giving up the APK. Right now it's available on Play Store and the test flight as well. And we will roll out the web app in future.
Great. And what is an iBG token worth for those who don't know?
So iBG token valuation is purely based on, number one, the demand created, which is actually since launch, it has been growing like almost to $1 token currently trading at 2.6. At the same time, on month, the the BGBF fund, which is at 65% of the profit generated from the fund, is actually going to the market and buying over iBG tokens available from the market. So that automatically creates a recurring demand for the iBG tokens. This is apart from the community, which is part of the leadership and the leader tokens, as well as the 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 DEX or the public who is coming in to buy into iBG tokens for Robo Advisory.
Great. And what is the process of staking?
So when you buy at this stage of Welcome Wallet, the version 1, early backers will have to buy iBG tokens via a buy package process, which the video was on loop early on before we started the AMA. Early backers have the opportunity to stake their tokens, and it's a simple process where you follow during the buy package process, and it will be staked at your choice of either 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days. So upon the completion of this process, then your tokens yield will be awarded to you.
Great. And what ease does iBG provide to their investors?
Accessibility, and we always strive for ease of use. So at this point, and there's another good to note point is that how we stand different and unique from the other DeFi projects is that we are releasing our application in versions. Like now, first version is primarily to curate the community, to build the community of the early backers, and purely offering token sales and exclusive benefits to the early backers. So, and then when we grow with the community, when we go on to V2, which is the Robo Advisor, that's, we will have a chatbot layer where we make it easy for you to choose your investments. And then after that, when version 3 is rolled out, the AI and ML layer will already start giving you predicted analysis and recommendation based on your behavior. So that's the ease we strive to create and walk the talk through this platform.
Fantastic. And what are the other various offerings available via the iBG app in the future?
Dr. V, would you like to take it, or?
Yeah. So basically, in terms of our phase 2, which is the Robo Advisory version 1, we will be covering at least 6 to 7 protocols of the top 20, which will make sure that number one, it is completely done the due diligence via security audit, etc., and making sure that the iBG users will be able to access that with different levels of risk profiles, plus making sure that the iBG users will be able to access that without having any fear of losing the money or someone stealing the money, etc. So that's the major challenge which DeFi network is currently facing. Number one, so there are a couple of things which we are trying to address using our technology. Number one, this DeFi network is becoming too technical for a basic user to use. So our objective is mass adoption and trying to make sure that we have one single coin to work with almost all the protocols which is available in the market, which is legitimate in the market, so that you can actually use that platform. Second, most of the DeFi networks are functioning in a silos mode, right? So the staking protocols or the staking coin will never work with uh, liquidity pool coins, and the liquidity pool coins are not working with swapping coins. So there are different functions handled separately, and what IBG is bringing into the IBG users or the investors is one single coin will be able to cut across almost all the functionalities of of the DeFi, and bringing in the best of all the worlds together to the IBG investors.
Sounds great. And do you have buyer protection?
Yes. So primarily what we are trying to bring in is, as I mentioned earlier, we have brought in the insurance, which we call it as POSI. POSI means Public Offering Security Insurance, and this is reinsured by Lloyd's of London syndicates, minimum rated A minus. So that means we are providing such a reputed, guaranteed instrument to make sure that whatever we have as a provider of this service or the creator of this product or the issuer of this token, whatever we have mentioned in the white paper, whatever we have committed to the market is been fulfilled, and any claim arising out of this can be fully insured as well. So that's a highest level of buyer protection which we can bring in. And for now, we are the only one who is insured in terms of the DeFi network.
Brilliant. And why should I choose IBG over any other DeFi platform?
I think let's start with being insurance. We being the first DeFi insured token, why not? When there are 1 million tokens out there, and this is right there and serving the highest level of buyer protection, I would definitely put my money down. Why wouldn't you? That's one, the first and foremost. Secondly, another fast mover is our strategic partnership to address tokenomics. Every token valuation is always the biggest question, and tokenomics is the first question when an investor wants to put their money down on any token. With this strategic partnership and unique partnership with BGBF Fund, apart from community building and community backing to promote the supply and demand, the support that we are getting, the strategic mechanism that we have created with BGBF One by getting their net profits allocated to us, a portion of their net profits allocated to us itself helps a great deal in limiting the supply, and in return creating that token valuation and token capture. So that will help to boost that token value up. So that itself is a commitment from our part in terms of boosting token value. Apart from token value, usability of the project, the platform. So it's not something that's complicated, but something that we strive to present to the masses as easy as surfing Netflix. So why not, when the 100,000 of protocols are talking to you in very technical jargons, we are trying to talk to you in a language that everybody understands. So that's why you should choose IBG.
Definitely. And what are the key steps to make sure that I maximize the IBG app?
So as from product strategy perspective, we strive to eventually create IBG promote IBG as an everyday app. So first and foremost, at the welcome wallet level, we incentivize referrals, and it's a very attractive incentivization. And when your network refers, you also earn referral income out of it. So when you see the ticker go off and you see your referral income incentivization, that itself is exciting at this stage itself. So, and as time goes along and then more features are rolled out from version 2 and version 3, there will be constant notifications and functions that are released. I'm keeping my mouth sealed now, but my lips sealed now, but from product strategy perspective, we put users first in terms of engagement, promoting daily engagement. So that itself will excite you enough to want to open your app every day. So we're looking forward to that engagement from the community that we hope to read from our product strategy.
Yeah, that sounds so great. And why is iBG better than any other yield aggregator platforms?
Because we are easy to talk to. It's as simple as surfing Netflix. What else do you want? I'm a user first before a product builder. I like when my app is easy to understand. So that's the thought process behind the Robo Advisor. Instead of too many things, it's simple and it talks to you. And even for a layman, the word yield aggregator might be complicated and too overwhelming. So that's not what you're going to see in the Robo Advisor. The Robo Advisor is going to speak to you and become your friend. So that's why iBG is better. And maybe Dr. Lee would like to add to that.
So the simple answer would be we are the best. Okay, but apart from that, just to give you a background, in terms of comparing with many other platforms, if you really want to maximize your yield, you had to jump around platforms. So jumping around platform or cutting across platforms means you are actually incurring more costs in terms of the gas and other fees. Second, you are not getting the optimized value out of it because you don't know which one is better. But if some robotics or some AI-driven engine is actually working for you in this case, so that's the best option you can achieve. And that will be optimizing your returns as well. So that's one of the major reasons why people prefer iBG compared to many other yield aggregator platforms.
Okay, and what are the different wallets in iBG that users can choose from?
Okay, so right now in the version 1, we have these non-custodial welcome wallet where your keys, your privacy, it's all yours. When the Robo Advisor rolls out, we will give users the option of a custodial wallet or a non-custodial wallet. What that basically means is that we give 2 offerings to users based on their knowledge of handling a crypto wallet. For those who are still new and do not know how to protect their wallets as yet, based on their comfort level, they can choose a custodial wallet. Or if they are familiar with the DeFi space and they know how to protect their non-custodial wallets, they can opt for non-custodial wallets. So we give them the best of both worlds.
Okay, great. Anna, what does the Robo Advisory provide?
Okay, so most of the people who have worked with Robo Advisory in a traditional world, a wealth management platform, which provides you the single window opportunity for selecting multiple options and maximizing your yield based on your risk profile. So that's exactly what we are trying to copy over to a DeFi world, which is so complicated, so fragmented, so not intact, and these are the service which we are trying to provide as a one coin, which will be iBG, which will be providing and cutting across all the platforms to maximize the yield for the users.
Okay, great. And the site says that there are certain risks if you don't use some kind of ecosystem for DeFi. So what are the dangers of DeFi?
Aneesha, you want to take the question or should I?
Yeah, sure, I'll go ahead. So
Sure.
I think throughout the call, we did address the numerous risks that the DeFi space has is exposed to. DeFi in general terms by the community is known by decentralized protocols. This is a technology that's very new when you're dealing with new technology, you are exposed to lots of technology risk as well. So that's basically the challenge and gap that iBG is solving, where we streamline for you the safer protocols and streamline a process where it's less riskier to access the DeFi space. So in a nutshell, DeFi, although it's very, the risk is pretty volatile environment, we try to cut away as much as possible and bring users to where they want to go based on their risk level. So yeah, I hope I answered your question.
Okay, great. And the last question for today's call, how is iBG able to help eliminate the aforementioned risks in the DeFi space?
So number one, oh yeah, please.
No, you can go ahead. We can't see you. Your screen is off, so I thought you were.
Okay.
Yeah,
so basically, iBG is trying to address. There are 4 major challenges which the current users are facing with DeFi. Number one, it is too technical. So DeFi is not for the basic users. Number two, it is totally inflexible. That means you need to work hard. You need to know where exactly you need to put your money to maximize your yield. Number three, the current DeFi is fully working on a fragmented mode, and we are trying to solve that. And number four, it is completely unrobust. So these are the 4 major pain points which a typical fragmented or the fragmented DeFi space is, and we are trying to solve these 4 major challenges. And Aneesha, you're welcome to add into the points.
I think we've pretty much summed or made the AMA around addressing these challenges in the space. And I guess what ultimately we strive to achieve is that making it less riskier and more accessible to everyone. There's risk in every type of investments. So we're just trying to eliminate whatever risk we can and get you to your destination in the safest and most comfortable way possible.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Dr. Vin and Aneesha, for joining us on this call today. And thank you for everyone who joined this call. We hope this session has helped clarify all of your questions regarding your questions with iBG. So to get any iBG updates, please go ahead and follow us on all of our socials. You can find us on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Telegram. And until next time, guys, thank you so much, and thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Hi, we're iBG. Our goal? To help you earn more from your crypto assets. How? By buying iBG tokens and earning personal income from it. Benefited from our platform? Build a community and grow together. Earn network benefits through direct referrals and network rewards. Definitely iBG Finance. Learn more at www.ibg.finance.
Welcome to iBG. In this video, we will teach you how to create your wallet for the iBG Welcome Wallet. Step 1. Download the iBG Welcome Wallet. For Android, if you have downloaded the app, uninstall the existing build. Click the link in the description. It will ask permission to download. Then you will proceed to creating your account. Make sure you have a referral code to use. For iOS, click the link in the description. Download the Test Flight app from the App Store. Click Update Now in Test Flight. The iBG app will be downloaded and you can proceed with creating your account. Make sure you have a referral code to use. Please remember to safely store your seed phrase and use your real mobile number and email when signing up. Step 2. Sign up using a referral code obtained from one of your invited referrers. If you don't know of one, you can always go to our social handles, Telegram or FB to give a shout out and get a referral code. Step 3. Upon successful sign up, get your own code to invite your friends and family to our iBG family. Step 4. Fund your wallet and buy a package to qualify for exclusive perks and benefits of an iBG early backer. That's it for today. Join iBG now. Welcome to iBG. In this video, we will teach you how to create your wallet. The iBG app is the wallet where it all begins. First step, download the iBG application. Step 2, provide your input goals and risk appetite to build your investment profile. Step 3, with the help of iBG Bot, inbuilt algorithms will match your profile results to available investment products and recommend personalized investment portfolio contracts. Step 4, to activate portfolio recommendation, fund your wallet with iBG tokens. The application will manage asset conversions for your investments and connect to the selected DeFi protocols and execute DeFi trading activities. And lastly, sit back and relax. Check your dashboard every now and then to observe your portfolio's performance, whether to accept or change any portfolio rebalancing recommendations. And that's it for today. Isn't iBG amazing? Join iBG now and get started. Welcome to iBG. Today, we are going to talk about the safety of your iBG wallet. One of the problems iBG solves is the exposure to cyber vulnerabilities. Centralized systems can be vulnerable to a new generation of hackers. Reputable financial institutions and their centralized systems can be vulnerable to data breaches, fraud, and security issues. So this is our solution. iBG is decentralized. In iBG, you maintain control of your funds at all times. By retaining control of your private keys, it eliminates the risk of losing assets if the exchange is ever hacked. With iBG, you control everything. Join iBG now for a secure growing investment. Welcome to iBG. It's time we teach you how to buy your package from the iBG Welcome Wallet. For iOS, click the link in the description. Download the Test Flight app from the App Store. Click Update Now in Test Flight. The iBG app will be downloaded and you can proceed with creating your account. Make sure you have a referral code to use. Please remember to safely store your seed phrase and use your real mobile number and email when signing up. For Android, if you have downloaded the app, uninstall the existing build. Click the link in the description. It will ask permission to download. Then you will proceed to creating your account. Make sure you have a referral code to use. Before buying a package, fund your wallet. Click on USDT or ETH to obtain wallet address. Successful wallet funding will reflect on wallet transaction history. With a funded wallet, now you can buy a package. First step, select Buy Package on the left side on your screen. Second step, now, you get to pick your desired package to start your program. Neat, right? Third step, just before package purchase confirmation, the wallet will seek a one-time authorization to execute smart contracts on your behalf to buy packages. All package purchases are transparent and recorded on smart contracts. Just before fourth step, you will see the successful authorization for smart contract execution on your portfolio's transaction history. Fourth step, iBG app will automatically show the amount of package you are buying, and the iBG token equivalent you will receive at the market price at point of purchase, which are updated in real time. Fifth step, when you are an iBG early backer, you can have an exclusive lock staking. You can choose from 30, 60, or 90 days. For 30 days, earn 5% yield, for 60 days, earn 12% yield, and for 90 days, earn 21% yield. Yield is paid in iBG tokens. Hence, you can benefit from yield earnings and token price appreciation gains. After checking out, this is when the magic begins. In iBG, we always have your back. After you complete your purchase, you can 1. View the confirmation of your purchase on the Portfolio tab of the transaction history. 2. View the current package plan on first red card of the Portfolio tab. For staked iBG tokens, 1. View status of staked iBG tokens on the second red card of Portfolio tab, and 2. View your stake tokens holding in Stake tab. For all other queries or assistance, email iBG support from the support function found on the Profile tab. Join iBG now, where value of money and security is assured. Welcome to iBG. Have you ever dreamed of starting your own network business? Does lack of knowledge in the business stop you from pursuing it? If so, you need not to be afraid. iBG is here to guide you in every step of the way. First, buy package. Getting to your goal means that you will have to start somewhere, so you will naturally have to buy a package. Second, make a marketing and outreach plan. Movements like in the game of chess need to be strategic to be able to reach that point of checkmate. So the key is to make a marketing and outreach plan. Marketing helps you to be organized and be ahead of the game, while an outreach plan is reaching out to the right people who can help you with your business. People whom you know would be able to produce for you a better output. Third, grab promotional material video from our iBG family, a private Facebook group. In iBG, we are a family. We have a Facebook group where we educate you on things that could help you with your business. You will have access to the right people who will protect you all at the same time. Fourth, customize marketing materials to tell your story with iBG. You need to make sure that your marketing materials are all scheduled and well planned. Have videos, infographics, and posters. Make sure that your story touches lives, gives hope, and is all true. Fifth, pitch to your family and friend, invite them to attend daily calls. Invite your family and friends to attend daily calls to educate them on the different ways to generate income and earn yield. Anybody can achieve a successful business as long as you continue to motivate and educate your network. Sixth, get them to sign up by purchasing a package. Encourage them to purchase a package. Inform them of every possibility of earning money just by being at home and not worrying about your 9-to-5 work. Seventh, earn as they earn and watch your money grow. There is nothing more exciting than, of course, watching your money grow, especially during these tougher times. And we know that you can definitely do it. That's it for today. Join iBG now.